We may also wish to check the consistency of Tanzania as a supplier. Switching back to viewing Tanzania, we can see that Tanzania exported a lot to Kenya in 2006 and dropped back significantly in 2007. Unfortunately, we don't have more recent data than this from Tanzania. What can we do? Let's look at the trade data reported by Uganda, as it also imports significant quantities from Tanzania. By clicking on Uganda, then clicking on the product at the most detailed level, $39.23/1000, that is boxes, cases, crates, and similar articles for the conveyance or packaging of goods or plastics, and selecting imports, we see that Tanzania's exports of plastic boxes, cases, etc. to Uganda is booming. So indeed, Tanzania may be an interesting supplier. Remember now that our goal was not only to identify a low-cost supplier, but also to a quality supplier. With TradeMap, this is very difficult to do. We can look at unit values, but they are a very rough guide. Sometimes a higher unit value indicates a better quality product, but not necessarily. We would need to verify this through field research. TradeMap can help us by trying to find a product imported from the Netherlands, for example, to compare it with that from Tanzania. It is also worth noting once again that TradeMap cannot be used to establish the reliability of any one supplier enterprise. It can only provide data for a country as a whole. Further field research needs to be conducted.